Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JV and Dr. Meenakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी. आज का हमारा डिस्कशन का टॉपिक है anatomy of oral cavity. The oral cavity is conveniently divided by the arch formed by the teeth and gums into the oral vestibule and the oral cavity proper. The oral cavity lies between the gums and the teeth, and the oral cavity proper lies behind and within the arch of teeth. Oral cavity, it extends from the lips to the oropharyngeal isthmus, that is up to the level of anterior pillar of tonsils. It is divided into the following sites: lips, buccal cheek mucosa, gums, retromolar trigone, hard palate, oral tongue, floor of mouth. Here is an image of the soft palate, palatopharyngeal arch, palatoglossal arch, palatine tonsil, lingual tonsil, oropharyngeal isthmus, dorsal of surface of the posterior one-third of the tongue. There is an anatomy of the oral cavity in which various structures are shown. Lips, there are two lips, upper and lower, begins at the junction of the vermilion border with skin and forms the anterior aspect of the oral vestibule. The upper lip, the preauricular, infrapalatal, submental, and submandibular. These nodes are they are drained by these four lymph nodes, and they drain in the lymph into the deep jugular lymph nodes. And the lymphatic drainage of lower lip is medial from the submental and lateral from the submandibular lymph nodes. Next is the buccal mucosa. The mucosal surface of the cheeks and lips is called the buccal mucosa, anteriorly from the line of contact of opposing lips and posteriorly to the pterygomandibular raphe. Superiorly and inferiorly, it is attached to the mucosa of alveolar ridge. These are the pterygomandibular ligaments. The lymphatic drainage of buccal mucosa is from submental lymph nodes, submandibular lymph nodes, then gums, gingivae, they surround the teeth and cover the upper and lower alveolar ridge. Lymphatic drainage, the buccal aspect of mucosa drain into the submental and submandibular nodes. The lingual aspect of upper alveolus drain into the upper deep cervical and lateral retropharyngeal nodes. The lingual aspect of lower alveolus drain into the submandibular nodes. And the next structure is retromolar trigone. It is a triangular area overlying anterior ramus of mandible. The apex is maxillary tuberosity and at its base is formed by the posterior most molar. Next structure is the hard palate. It forms the roof of the oral cavity. The lymphatic drainage is the upper deep cervical and lateral retropharyngeal nodes and submandibular nodes. Next structure is the oral tongue. Two parts of tongue. These are separated by circumvallate papillae, the pharyngeal or base of tongue, oral tongue. Four anatomical sites are tip, lateral surface, dorsal and ventral surface. So there are two muscles, extrinsic muscle and intrinsic muscles. The structure of the tongue, the lymphatic drainage, to the submental lymph nodes, to the superior deep cervical lymph nodes, to the anterior deep cervical lymph nodes, to the submandibular lymph nodes, to the inferior deep cervical lymph nodes, and to the submandibular lymph nodes. The floor of mouth, it is a crescent shaped area between the gingiva and undersurface of tongue. The anterior portion of the floor is best seen when patient raises the tip of the tongue to touch the hard palate. Frenulum and sublingual papillae with opening of submandibular ducts can be seen. Next, there's an image of these structures: tongue, lingual frenulum, gingiva, gums, inferior labial frenulum, duct of submandibular gland, and then vestibule, inferior lip. The lateral portion of the floor of mouth is seen by displacing the lateral surface of tongue in medial direction with the help of a tongue depressor. The lymphatic drainage of anterior portion is into the submandibular nodes and posterior portion into the upper deep cervical nodes. Thank you so much. This uh, session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.